The animations you are watching were made from a single input image. You can also create cartoon animations by doing this. In this video, I will show you how to do it step by step so that you can understand it better. Let's get started. Before further proceeding, like the video and subscribe to my channel. Step 1. First of all, let's generate some images. For that purpose, I am using the Stable Diffusion's newest model. First, enter prompt in the search bar. I am giving you this prompt in the description below, from where you can copy it. We will select aspect ratio 16:9 and the style, photographic. Click on Generate button and wait for the processing. As per our prompt, it has prepared our images. According to this method, we now get some more images from our second prompt. Step 2. Now in this second step we will remove these watermarks and enhance the quality of this image so that we can make HD quality video. For this purpose, we will go to this website by clicking on the link given in the description. Click on Open Image button and select the image whose watermark want to remove. Click the Magic Remove button and select the area of the watermark you want to remove. Click the Start Removing button. And then click the Apply button to apply the settings. Now click on AI Enlarger button to enhance the image quality. Click the Apply button and then click the Download button. Step 3. In this third step, we will convert this image into an animated video. For this purpose we will go to the Runwayml website, which I have given the link in the description below. Now click the Image to Video portion. Here we will upload the image that we had enhanced in Photo and removed the watermark. Click the Generate button to start the animation process. It will take 1 minute or so. The animation is ready. I will show you by playing it. Since it only creates a 4 seconds video, we have to click on the Extend button above to extend it by another 4 seconds. We can do this process 4 times to create a 16 seconds video. He has prepared an 8 seconds animated video for us, which I show by playing. You can increase its length up to 16 seconds and thus create as many videos as you want. According to this method you can convert your images into animation video, and that too in HD quality. Thank you for watching this free AI image to animation tutorial. See you in the next video.